Hey guys, in this video we're going to be making a rocket-powered ball shell. Let's get started. So we're going to start off with these ball shells. They are 1-inch ball shells, and they're actually really big for their size. Also got our zippers over here. I made these into rockets in a previous video, so go check that out. Basically what you need to do is you take the fuse that's coming out of the side of it, and you just stick it in the bottom, and then it turns into a rocket. Of course you got to put it on a stick. Now our goal is to connect the ball shell to this rocket. So we got our happy little Christmas ornament here, and we're going to take out the gunpowder and the fuse. The fuse and the powder are both gone, so we're just going to take off the whole bottom of it. Now we have just the brake. Put the fuse in the bottom of the zipper, and we're going to attach it to the ball shell. But first you'll notice that there is a clay plug at the end, and that needs to be removed because the gunpowder is burning through here, and it needs to be able to touch the fuse on the ball shell to make it go off. The clay plug is now gone, and now we just need to connect the ball shell to the rocket and glue it to the stick. And we're finished. Let's go light this thing off. I was extremely surprised to see the zipper could lift up this entire ball shell and the stick with it. It went, I'd say, about 75 feet in the air and had a huge break. So you guys may notice that I didn't use an actual zipper, and the video is shaky and overall just not very good. And that's actually because this is the second time I'm filming this video, because my camera broke and it burned up my memory card and it won't read anything off the memory card. So I'm using my phone to video for the second time, and this one is completely inert. It does not fly, does not work at all. This is just the one I'm going to use for the thumbnail. Help me out on Patreon if you can, and I'll see you guys next time.